discuss about the PNP transistor. PNP transistor is a bipolar junction transistor. In this case, the majority as well as minority carriers plays both significant roles in the current. So we will take P-type transistor, N-type, and the P-type transistor, semiconductor doped transistor. So P-type, in this majority carriers are there, holes are there, in this electrons majority are there, and in this holes are there. So this is P-type semiconductor. So here the holes will move toward the electrons and they will diffuse in this, and a depletion layer here is developed. Here also the holes will be diffused with the electrons and a depletion layer will be produced here. So due to the depletion layer, the electric field is generated. In this, internal electric field is generated, that is positive charges to the negative charges. Towards the positive holes, the immovable charges of the negative charges is created, and in the field of in the N-type, this is the positive in immovable charges is created. So electric field from the positive charge to the negative charge is created here, that will be from positive to negative. Now to remove this depletion layer, what we do, that the input we should do the forward bias and output we should do the reverse bias. So what we do here, we apply a battery here, and here also we apply a battery here. So battery here, that is the VCC, that will be approximately of 15 volt, and here we apply of the 5 volt. 5 volt here, when we applied here the forward bias, the positive charges, the either positivity is more and here the negativity is more, and this positive charges will be attracted by the more negative charges, more negativity, and this charge holes will move toward the negativity, and this depletion layer will be going to diminished. ये खत्म हो जाएगी आपकी डिप्लीशन लेयर, और ये हमारे पास सर्किट पूरा हो जाएगा, और सर्किट में हमारे पास क्या होगा, करंट का फ्लो हो जाएगा. The symbol of the PNP transistor is like this. This is emitter, this is base, and this is the collector. Now P and P. So the direction, internal direction of the current, that will be toward the from P to N, and the current in this case, that will be from negative to positive, that is IE is flow through this negative to positive direction, and IB will be here, and this is the current direction of the current, negative to positive, that is the collector current. Now the similar way we can design the NPN transistor, a N-type transistor, P-type transistor, and N-type transistor. Is this P-type transistor is sandwiched in between the N-type. So when we diffuse these layers, then a depletion layer will be also created here, because positive charges will diffuse with the negative charges, and positive charges here also diffuse with the negative charges, and they will diffuse. Now a depletion layer will be created here, also the depletion layer will be created here. So now what we have to do, that is we have to do the input should be forward bias and output should be reverse bias also here. So here what we do, this N, so we connect here the negative of the negative terminal of the battery here, and positive terminal toward the here we have to do the reverse bias. So this is the positive terminal we have to connect here, and negative terminal to connect here. So this is the reverse biased, we have to do it, and this is the, you have to do it forward biased, we have to do it. Input should be forward biased and output should be reverse biased. So the current direction will be from negative to positive in the output circuit, that is IE, and IB will be flow from here to here, and this is the negative to positive, the collector current will be flow from here. The symbol of the PNP transistor will be this, and the direction of the current will be from P to N, NPN. So direction of the internal current, that will be P to N. With the arrow we have to represent from P to N. This is emitter, this is collector, and this is the base. Now the current IE, that is the emitter current, will be the sum of the base current and the collector current that we get from this circuit. Now how we plot how to know the characteristic, input characteristic and the output characteristic of the PNP transistor circuit. So we have to connect the circuit like this. In this is the milliammeter, this is the voltmeter, this is the rheostat, and this is the battery. Similarly here, milliammeter, voltmeter, rheostat, and the battery. VCC we kept in the reverse bias condition because this is the P, so we have to connect here negative terminal of the battery, and here the positive terminal will be connected to the earth here, from this base to the earth, and this is the earth. Now here we have to connect the positive terminal because we have to do the forward bias because this is P, so positive terminal of the battery should be connected here, negative should be here. This is the VEE, we say that this is VE and this is the VCC. The VCC will be of the more voltage in comparison to the VE because here we have to do the breakdown voltage of this, we have to push it. तो here what we do here, if you plot the characteristic, यानी कि हमारे पास अगर हम VCB कांस्टेंट रख दें और IE और VE में ग्राफ खींचे तो हमारे पास ये ग्राफ इस तरह से आता है, और अगर हम आउटपुट करंट और वर्सेस द आउटपुट वोल्टेज में ग्राफ खींचे तो हमारे पास एट द कांस्टेंट IE, यानी कि हमारे पास इनपुट को हम कांस्टेंट रख दें और आउटपुट को वेरी करें तो ग्राफ हमारे पास इस तरह से आता है. तो ये जो रीजन है हमारे पास सैचुरेशन करंट रीजन, दिस इज द सैचुरेशन करंट रीजन आता है, दैट इज हमारे पास IE 2 मिली एम्पियर, 3 मिली एम्पियर, 4 मिली एम्पियर एंड 5 मिली एम्पियर के अक्रॉस. सिमिलरली फॉर NPN ट्रांजिस्टर वी कैन जनरेट द डिजाइन द सर्किट. The circuit will be like this. Here the input should be forward biased and output should be reverse biased. So here also we connect here, this is the rheostat, this is the voltage, and this voltage we say that is the VEB. We say this is the VEB. This is IE current. So negative to positive, this is the direction of the current, and this is the IB base current, and this is the collector current. So this voltage we say between the collector to the base. So this is the VCB voltage, and this is the rheostat, and this is the VCC, that is approximately 15 volt. Now what is the gain? What is the current gain? So current gain we defined, that is the change of the current in the collector current to the change in the current to the input. Input is here IE. So this is the alpha will be equal to delta IC upon delta IE. Output current divided by the input current is the current gain of the circuit at the constant VCB. The VCB should be constant. So we will get the current gain from this circuit.